Currently there's a very amazing offer that is going on regarding UGC Net Computer Science. So if you want to enroll for the course, you can just install our Android app. For example, this is your Android app, so you can install from the Google Play Store. So if you can see the home page, so you can see that there are so many courses that you are going on. So just click on the button which is store, and you can see that we have so many different courses that are currently going on. And that's a, if you want to enroll for UGC Net Computer Science, so that you can see that the test series for UGC Net Computer Science is only 400 rupees. So you can just click on this, so they can find that yes, UGC Net Computer Science test series only for 200 rupees only. So there is up to 80% discount for all these students who want to enroll for this course. For example, if I just click on this, so you can see the complete details of the course. Click on content, so you can see there are 26 tests for subject wise test, then 5 full test, then you have previous year questions. For example, if I go to previous year question for UGC and Computer Science, 255 question papers that is available for this course. And if you want to enroll for UGC Net Computer Science, so you can see there's a very amazing offer that is going on. So in 3-month course, the fees is only 4,999 only. So, and even if, for example, if I go for a 1-year course, just go there, and then you can see if you want to go for 6 months course, so that fees is only 5,999, and for 1-year course the fees is only 7,999. so this is a very amazing offer, and just enroll this course as soon as possible, because this offer is only valid till 30th of April. After this, the fees will hike. So please enroll as soon as possible.